Welcome to Education Lifeline. This is T-Bro Paul, and today we'll be going over the best way to solve quadratic word problems. In this video, you will learn the several things you must look for in any quadratic word problem to answer the question correctly. First of all, you will need to know the critical points you're going to be asked for. For quadratic word problems, this may be the x-intercepts, the y-intercept, or coordinates of the vertex. In order to successfully identify which critical point the word problem is asking, you also need to know some keywords or phrases. For the vertex, this may mean words like maximum or minimum, highest or lowest, or tallest or shortest. Simply, they're going to be any words or phrases indicating an extreme. For y-intercept, the problem may say something like at the beginning or before something happened. And for the x-intercepts, these may be phrases like ground level or no profit. Now, here are two additional tips that may help you solve any quadratic word problems. First, pay attention to the units in the question. This will help you identify whether you're being asked for an x-coordinate or y-coordinate. Second, draw and label a graph to visualize the scenario. This may even help you identify the critical points faster. If you want to see these tips in action, check out our videos on quadratic word problems. They'll be linked in the description below, as well as the top right-hand corner of your screen. If this video was helpful, please drop a like and subscribe to Education Lifeline. Check the description for other helpful resources, and make sure to leave any questions in the comments down below. Thanks for watching.